Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my BB education channel. So today I'm going to discuss you the important questions of business statistics as per Usmania University syllabus. Okay, welcome back to my BB education channel. We have 5 units in this particular subject. Each and every unit we are going to discuss in detail. If you have any queries, means you can ask me in the comment section. Please do watch this video till end, because in this video I am going to tell you that you will get important questions as per Usmania University syllabus, and as well as I am going to tell you that how many marks you will score in this unit. Okay, if you will learn whatever I told you, means you will get 100% pass guaranteed. Okay, you will get 100% pass guarantees, right? If you want any other particular subject, means you can ask me. So let's start our topic. We have 5 units is business statistics, right? Number 1 unit is introduction to statistics. Number 2 unit is measures of central tendency. Number 3 in unit is measures of dispersion. Fourth unit is skewness and kurtosis. Fifth unit is correlation and regression, right? सो दिस फर्स्ट यूनिट इज़ टोटली थियोरी. ठीक है, फर्स्ट यूनिट आपको पूरी थियोरी बेस्ड है, राइट? फर्स्ट यूनिट में आपको पढ़ना है इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स, राइट? इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपको एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, राइट? देन another question is data collection and analysis. Okay, methods of data collection, primary and secondary data, very most important. first ये पढ़िए, फिर यहाँ पर आइए. methods of data collection, primary and secondary data, right? these two. देन क्लासिफिकेशन एंड टेब्यूलेशन, ये प्रॉब्लम्स है आपके, बट ये प्रॉब्लम्स आपको थियोरी के लिए लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस के लिए नहीं आने वाले हैं. इसीलिए मैं आपको पहले बोली कि यूनिट नंबर 1 इज़ टोटली थियोरी बेस्ड, राइट? देन प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डायग्राम, sometimes they will ask. So if you want to practice problem, means you can practice this presentation of data, diagram, charts and graphs. Okay, it will come in your exam because it is graphs and charts now. Okay, learn this theory 2 question and practical practice charts and graphs. And then number 2 unit is also measures of central tendency. It is totally based on problems. ठीक है, वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम जो है सेकेंड यूनिट में वो मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ. यहाँ पर मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट यूनिट है. ये बी कॉम वालों के लिए भी है एज वेल एज BBA वालों के लिए. बी कॉम वालों को थोड़ा एक बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी टॉपिक है, but here it is very quite simple. So you can see over here measures of central tendency. You have to learn the mean, median and mode. ठीक है, mean, median and mode 3 भी आपको problems ही है यहाँ पर mean, median and mode में. But still what you have to do, the very most important is mean and mode. Okay, learn mean as well as mode. ये दो पढ़िए आप. median को आप skip कर सकते, but median 5 marks के लिए आएगा आपको. ठीक है, लॉन्ग के लिए 2 में से 1 आएगा प्रॉब्लम, राइट? मीडियन विल कम फॉर 5 मार्क्स. ओके, देन क्वार्टाइल्स एंड परसेंटाइल्स, वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज क्वार्टाइल्स एंड परसेंटाइल. स्किप डिसाइल्स. ठीक है, क्वार्टाइल्स और परसेंटाइल्स के प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करिए. ज़्यादा मेजॉरिटी ये प्रॉब्लम्स आने की आपके एग्जाम में. मीन, मीडियन, मोड आपको 3 भी प्रैक्टिस करना है, बट स्टिल लॉन्ग के लिए मीन एंड मोड, राइट? मोड इज़ क्वाइट ईजी एज कम्पेयर टू mean and median. These 3 topics are very most important, and it is this chapter is totally based on these 3 only. Okay, measures of central tendency is based on mean, median and mode. It is your basic, so please learn this. Go to third unit, measures of dispersion. Here you have range, quartile, deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation. Okay, you have to learn each and every problem you should practice, because you will get perfection in this chapter. If you will perfect in this, means you will be beneficial in the future. So you have to learn measures of dispersion each and every unit, right? Each and every topic, sorry. Here you have standard deviation, variance and coefficient of variation. You will get in your exam. Here they'll ask you to solve range. Okay, range, then mean deviation. Sometime it will come for long one. then standard deviation also come for long one, then coefficient of variation it will also come for long one. ठीक है, आपको ये मिलाकर इसमें प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे, so you have to practice this problem, you will get point. Okay, move on to fourth unit. You have in fourth unit skewness and kurtosis. In this the very most important is skewness. ठीक है, skewness के based problems ज़्यादा practice करिए, kurtosis को एक simple way में लेकर जाके इसकी theory पढ़ सकते हैं आप. ठीक है, skewness very most important है, आपको ये fourth unit में आपको पढ़ना है. Advantages and disadvantages, the solid theory will come for short. Okay, theory सिर्फ और सिर्फ short के लिए है और इसमें कोई भी important role नहीं है long का. ठीक है, देन नंबर फिफ्थ यूनिट इज कोरिलेशन एंड रिग्रेशन. हियर यू हैव स्कैटर डायग्राम. कार्ल पियर्सन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन वेरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, स्पीयरमैन्स रैंक कोरिलेशन. Spearman's rank correlation will come in your examination. Okay, ranks correlation, you have to practice this because it will come in your exam, and Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation, it will also come in your exam, right? Then second one is least square approach. It is also important. Least square problems on this you have to practice. Relation between correlation and regression, it will also come in your exam, so please try to practice everything. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Here 5 units I discuss each and every important things. If you will have any queries, means you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.